Lord, tanghalian time. Ito po, brown rice. Yan, brown rice po. May nagbigay kay Sister Baby. May eskwela din yung araw. Balik sa abroad yan. Kanina lang binigay. Kaya ginawa ko, nagsaing po ako. Kasi gusto naman namin pareho ito eh. Brown rice. Bigay ng Diyos. Amen. Ako, ito. Nagsandok na ako. Ano, nakita nyo, sinasandok ko. Ayan, ano. Ito. Pero ibang klaseng brown rice nito. Pag nilagyan mo ng tubig, nakalutang sa tubig. Hindi kagaya ng brown rice dito, black rice dito sa Pilipinas. Pag inugasan mo, lubog sa tubig, ito hindi eh. Nakalutang, ayaw lumubog. Dalawang beses ko nang inugas, nakalutang. Oh. Kaya malambot. Ayan, para siyang puti oh. Pero brown yan kanina. Ibang klase yan. Sige, kain po tayong tanghalian. Bigay ng ating Panginoon Diyos. Ayon sa Mateo 6:9, manaming Diyos, nasa langit ka. Yung verse 11, bigyan mo kami ng aming kakanin araw-araw. Okay? Tinuro ng Panginoong Yesus ng pagkain natin araw-araw. Okay? Bigay ng Panginoon Diyos. Amen, amen, amen. Ayan yung gulay. Lagyan natin ng gulay. Sayote. Ayan. Sayote. Oh, lagay na natin. Sabaw. Oh. Lutong bahay yan. Bigay ng Panginoon Diyos. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. Yan. Ano po? Nakamix na, no? Ito. Pichayote. Bigay ng Panginoon Diyos. Amen.
Technology, engineering, and environmental sciences. Recent data from the Swiss National Science Foundation confirmed that research funding has grown steadily, enabling breakthroughs that have global impact. Scholarship programs support talented students in pursuing studies without financial constraints. Classroom environments in Switzerland emphasize teamwork and independent inquiry. Educators encourage group projects that foster communication and creative thinking, ensuring that students are prepared for careers that require both technical knowledge and interpersonal skills. Extracurricular activities, such as language clubs and sports teams, provide a balanced education that supports both academic and personal growth. Local communities also take an active interest in schools, participating in events and supporting programs that enrich the educational experience. Surveys conducted by independent organizations reveal that Swiss students consistently score high in assessments of logical reasoning and scientific aptitude. The careful integration of academic theory with practical application has positioned Switzerland as a leader in education. The nation continues to refine its curricula and teaching methods, preparing students to excel in a competitive global market and contribute to sustainable progress in various fields. Number 3, South Korea. South Korea has transformed its education system into a powerhouse of academic achievement and technical innovation. Recent reports from the Korean Educational Development Institute show that literacy rates in South Korea are nearly universal, and students routinely score at the top in international assessments for subjects like mathematics and science. A commitment of public funds ensures that schools have state-of-the-art facilities with digital learning tools and modern laboratories that support advanced instruction.
Simula age 30, ang lutong kulang sa calcium humurupit. Pag lumala at naging osteoporosis, madaling mabalik.
Ayoko matulad kay Mama. Kaya I take Caltrate every day. Tulong, palakas ng bato.
Get in your fresh confidence era with Colgate Fresh Confidence.
Advanced instruction. Classroom practices in South Korea emphasize rigorous study routines combined with a strong focus on discipline and cooperative learning. Teachers use interactive methods and technology-enhanced lessons to guide students through complex concepts in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Data from the OECD illustrate that South Korean students excel in problem-solving tasks and display high levels of analytical reasoning. School days are structured around long hours of study, with supplemental classes and after-school programs designed to reinforce learning and nurture academic excellence. Higher education in South Korea has gained global recognition for research and innovation. Universities in cities such as Seoul, Busan, and Daegu attract students from across Asia and beyond. Government statistics reveal that research funding in the country has increased steadily over the past decade, fueling breakthroughs in technology and industry. Collaborative initiatives between academic institutions and leading corporations provide students with practical experiences, ensuring that they are ready to enter the competitive workforce. Numerous internship programs and research projects have resulted in a steady stream of advancements in science and engineering. Cultural values that emphasize hard work
Tapos
and
na.
respect for knowledge are deeply ingrained
Bigay
in
ng
South
Diyos,
Korean
masarap.
society.
Itong bahay.
Schools host academic competitions,
Po.
science fairs, and
Malaking
technology
malaking tipid pagka lutong bahay ang pagkain.
foster a sense of
Saka sigurado ka pa malinis.
local mentors, community centers, and
Hindi mo alam yung
educational support programs
binibili mo sa
further
labas.
reinforce
Hindi
the
lang,
importance of education and
hindi ka
data.
sigurado.
Independent evaluations have noted that South
Pero
Korean
pag lutong bahay,
graduates are
sigurado
more likely to
malinis.
contribute to technological innovation and
Masarap pa.
economic growth on the international stage.
Oh, yan. Bigay ng
Studies by
Panginoon Diyos yun, ano?
research centers
Oh,
confirm that the
YouTube,
combination of
No
disciplined
copyright, no
study and
copyright.
practical
Nanonood lang po
application
ako
in
ng
South
palabas,
Korea's
ha.
education system
Yung
has
background
produced a
narinig nyo, ha.
generation of learners who excel in both
Sa
academic
YouTube
and
mismo,
professional
nanonood
fields.
kami.
The nation's commitment to continuous improvement and high educational standards continues to inspire reforms in other countries aiming to raise their academic
Ha?
performance. and
No
build a
copyright, no
strong
copyright.
workforce. Number two,
Hindi ko video yan.
Singapore has become
Po,
synonymous with
itong
academic
kaibigan ninyo kay
excellence
Jesus,
thanks to
Brother
an
Manny
education
Bautista.
system that consistently
Ay,
produces
dumi kayo.
top scores on global
Yan
assessments.
po, ano? God bless us all po. Nawa, dat lang kayo ng video nasa mahusay na kalagayan. Like. Share na share. Ay, mga na-share, pwede po ba mag-share kayo sa iba, no? At ano pa, mag-subscribe kayo. Be mas-subscribe. Sige po, God bless us all. Bye-bye.